Good morning. My name is Kenil Rajyaguru. I am teaching you English subject. So till now we have seen till Unit 2. Unit 1 was the world of flowers, where we learn about the flowers. Now the Unit 2 was about the yellow butterfly. We have learned many things about the butterfly. So now we will start with the Unit 3, which is our solar system. So let's start. Unit 3, our solar system. Activity 1. Observe the sitting arrangement of your class carefully and answer the following questions about your classmates. So right now we are not having the classroom. So you can't answer those questions like who sits closest to the blackboard, who sits farthest to the blackboard, who sits on your left or right. You can't answer this. So we will skip this activity 1 for time being. Okay? So now activity 2. Have you seen the sky at night? The night sky is beauty. Here are some pictures of the planet. Repeat their name after your teacher. So the first one given is Mercury, which is closest to the sun. Mars, which is reddish in color. Saturn, which has beautiful ring. Next one is Earth, where we live. Venus, which is bit yellowish in color. Neptune. Then the next one is Jupiter, which is the largest of all 8 planets. Now the next one is Uranus, which is bit tilted. Activity 3. Let's take attendance of all of the planets. Check if you are present in the poem given below. Planet Roll Call. The title is Planet Roll Call. 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here. Number 1, closest planet to the sun. As I said, Mercury is the first planet and it is closest to the sun. Venus, here. Number 2, shining bright just like new. So the Venus is the bit yellowish in color and which is shining bright. Earth, here. Number 3, Earth is home to you and me. So Earth is the planet where we live. Mars, here. Number 4, red and ready to explore. Mars is red in color and we are also trying to explore it. Jupiter, here. Number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. So Jupiter, as I said, is the largest planet of all the 8 planets. Saturn, here. Number 6, with rings of dust and ice jet mix. So the Saturn has the beautiful ring which is made up of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here. Number 7, a planet that tilted high in heaven. So this one is the straight one. When this is tilted, so the Uranus is tilted. Neptune, here. Number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. So the Neptune is also large one. It has one dark spot. Now those are the 8 planets. Now activity 4. Look at the following diagram carefully. It is our solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system. The Mercury is the closest to the sun. Now label the other planets with help of your partner and share with your other classmate. So I will tell you. Okay, now let's. Okay, the middle one is the sun. Now which was the first planet? Mercury. So this one will be Mercury. Now whose roll number was 2? Venus. So this second one will be Venus. Now which was the third planet? Our own Earth. So this is Earth. Now which comes after the Earth? Whose roll number was 4th? Mars. So here comes the Mars. Now whose roll number was 5? Oh, you lost me. Okay, we will see in the poem. See in the poem, there are given. See, the roll number 5 is Jupiter, 6 is Saturn, 7 is Uranus, and 8 is Neptune. So this one is the Jupiter, largest planet of all the 8 planets. So whose roll number is 6? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have reached 6. Whose roll number is 6? Saturn. So this one is the Saturn. Now whose roll number was the 7? Uranus. And now the last one was the Neptune. So this one is the Neptune. So the order is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. So you have to just label it in your textbook. Okay. That's it for today. From the in the next lecture we will see the activity 5, which is the poem. So that's all for today. Thank you.